there is something truly fascinating about the wilderness. Perhaps it's the heightened sense of freedom, or the deep connection I feel when there. It is this connection that has motivated us to take a different path. And now we are following our vision into the heart of nature. Over the course of our adventure, we've discovered many places. Some beyond our wildest imaginings. For long periods, these incredible landscapes have become home. Essence of a sunset to the cascading forms of a mountain range, there is unrelenting beauty. To enjoy being by the water, it is not always essential to cast a line. But the moment a line disappears beneath the surface, a subtle conversation begins. At times, it is all that is required for weeks to pass us by. When we are willing to look closely, there is much we discover about nature and her extraordinary genius. Seek to empower my own experience, I am humbled by the sheer extent of nature's significance in my own life. It feels like stepping towards something I intuitively knew all along. That the world is in fact rich with intelligence, it is aware, and feels the pain of our touch upon it. Beyond the surface we delve, the more it becomes obvious how little is understood about the world in which we live. When we take from the land no more than we need, we allow for life to thrive. If we can learn to step out of our human orientation and see from the Earth's point of view, can we do anything purposeful about the predicament facing life as we know it? Each living being has a destiny unique to ours, which is just as important to them as our individual lives are to us. Amongst the undergrowth, it is easy to lose track. Time has little relevance, and the days and nights roll into one unfolding rhythm. There are times of enduring tranquility, where all becomes subdued, allowing the song of nature to whisper its secrets. At any moment, our eyes could glimpse a disturbance on the surface, or a kingfisher could shimmer swiftly past. Just being there allows for a world previously unseen to move into focus. It is when we stop and find ourselves completely in the moment that we know how great it is to be alive. Angling has made it possible for me to spend a great deal of my life by water. In that space, it is possible to reach a deeper sensitivity, a kind of intuitive knowing that allows for an overwhelming union with the wilderness. When I delve beyond the layers of learned ignorance, I arrive at a juncture where deep respect and appreciation is the lens through which I encounter the world, especially the natural world. Only then does nature reveal its innermost mysteries. If there is to be any real solutions to the problems we face, then they must include finding our way back to the heart of nature.